What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the original Penguin men's Carlton mixed media sneakers I picked up at off Saks Fifth Avenue for $59.99, down from $160. That's a total of about a 62% savings, which is pretty phenomenal. I've actually done quite a bit of sneakers recently in the past couple of weeks. I'm gonna go ahead and continue that trend due to the fact that shoe sales are just on fire right now, especially online shoe sales. Yeah, I figured today we would just do a little bit of an unboxing and a first impressions and review some of the notes that I took on these shoes, which are basically my first impressions of them. Okay, so if we just lift off the top of the box there, you can see we are greeted with our sneaker, the men's Carlton sneaker in top white and yellow. And we'll go ahead and we'll put our sneakers down on the counter. Now, first thing you'll probably notice about these sneakers is that yes, this is the top white yellow version of the men's Carlton sneaker, but there's actually a little bit of orange running around the bottom of the sneaker here. It's sort of hidden. Okay, so first thing is first, I kind of want to talk about the name of the sneaker. It's called the Mixed Media sneaker, and I've actually seen on Saks Fifth Avenue's website them refer to other sneakers as mixed media sneakers. So I kind of want to just theorize exactly what that name is about. If you actually take a look at the shoe, it's actually comprised of a bunch of different pieces. We've got some suede, we've actually got some fabric here, we have some leather on the side, we've got a little rubber penguin logo on the side of the shoe there. And overall, everything is just stitched together really nicely. As you can see, you have suede at the back of the shoe in two different colors here. You get this sort of light brown suede and you get this darker brown suede. Actually makes its way around to the front of the shoe as well. You can see that you do get that suede sort of around the toe there, which is really nice. You also get suede around the laces, or that act as sort of a lace holder. So this isn't simply Penguin, it's the original Penguin. These shoes look original too, from the colorway, which is this sort of light brown, cream, orange color scheme, to this exposed stitching at the side of the shoe that seems to be there to add character for the most part. And speaking of originality, you get this really cool penguin logo on the side of the sneaker, and you get the penguin logo on the tongue of the sneaker there as well, which actually looks pretty good. Now, I know I talk about stitching a lot, but it's an essential aspect to every piece of clothing and accessory. That being said, it's all over the place, but in a good way. No thread sticking out or missing anywhere. It's around the laces, it's at the front of the shoe like I mentioned, the back. I think you get the idea. Real quick, momentarily, I just kind of want to point out something about this shoe. It's like a technical aspect of it, or a technical specification, but it's really not that bendable. So I'm not quite sure if you would want to like go for a jog in these, or actually maybe you might want to go for a jog in these. So momentarily back to the inside of the shoe, you get that beautiful inside there. It's this sort of rainbow color. You get some really nice premium looking padding, and it feels premium as well. The insole of the shoe is removable, it does come out. I kind of have this theory that the easier it is to put back the insole into the shoe, the better the quality it is. So, and last but not least, before we finish off the review, let's go ahead and take a look at the bottom of the sneaker there, which I think is actually very important. So as you can see, yes, I did pick these up for $59.99. They are in a size 12. We'll go ahead and remove that sticker to give you guys a better look. But the bottom of the sneaker has these sort of grooves in it. It gives it a very classic look, I would say. What I have noticed about the sneaker is that when you lay it down, the front of the shoe is raised or contoured to allow for some sort of flexibility during your down plant, and at the back of the shoe, the heel is raised ever so slightly. The tread of the shoe is unique but classic. I think you can find this tread on a pair of New Balance sneakers if I am not mistaken. In fact, the entire shoe itself is a classic style of sneaker to begin with. Just some bonus aspects of this sneaker. It does come with pretty generic brown laces out of the box, so you shouldn't have to worry about replacing them should you need to. There is one extra shoelace hole should you need to tighten up the shoe ever so slightly. And last but not least, these shoes were $160, but because I got them at off 5th, Saks Fifth Avenue's outlet store, they were only $60. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing and first look at the men's Penguin Carlton sneaker in taupe, white, yellow, and a little bit of orange, and a little bit of rainbow in there as well. I picked up at off Saks Fifth Avenue for $59, down from $160. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Saks Fifth Avenue is a great place to go if you're looking for a new pair of shoes or any type of designer brand for really cheap. They've got all kinds of stuff from luggage to shoes to suits and ties. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that first look. My name is John. If you want to see more content like this, hit that like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.